As you can see, they are very clean. They are very clean. Actually, I'm just serving. I want to eat after this video.
Sweet meals for five. Sweet meals for five.
Hi everyone, welcome to my space. This is Sweet Meals for 5 with Irene Kanyolo. So welcome guys. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not subscribed to Sweet Meals for 5, actually don't know what you are waiting for. If you don't know Sweet Meals for 5, I don't know what you are waiting for. So guys, make sure you subscribe Sweet Meals for 5. They have amazing videos there. You go check on them. You comment, like and share. So today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys. So you can see this. What can you see guys? Waru, potato. So I love potatoes so much. So I'm going to convert this potato to something nice. Something people like a lot. So come with me to my kitchen. You see the transformation. Come. So guys, I have potatoes over here. I'm going to peel them. So guys, I'm just going to prepare a simple thing. Then na prepare to chipsy at home. Waru. I'm just converting potatoes to chips. So I'll show you how I usually do my check. So I'll show you how I usually do my chips. Chips ni chips, but kila mtu akona njia yake. So I'll show you my way. Very simple and very nice one. So I'm through with peeling. The next thing, I'm going to wash these potatoes. So unajua kuna korela. So guys, you maintain cleanness of everything. Hygiene ni muhimu sana. So we are going to wash this. So guys, the next thing, natia hii kisu makali. I want to make it sharp. I'm using this. You know how to make a knife sharp? I think you nitaonyesha siku nyingine. So the next step needs a sharp knife. So that's why I'm sharpening this knife. Okay? So guys, tuko hapa. We are preparing the shapes for chips. So for me, I want just what I do, I've divided my potato into like 4 cuts. I'm doing other 4 cuts. Yeah. Like this. You can see how small they are. Hiyo na chips zingine zinakuanga big. So for me, I'm doing, I think, medium. This is the smallest size for chips. See this shape, the one I'm going to do. That's why I was telling you the knife needs to be sharp, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to do all this for all these potatoes. I'm going to cut them into those pieces. At long last guys, nimemaliza. Lakini nakwambia hizo mikono huku. Hey. We are just tired. So guys, as you can see, potatoes are in salty water. So we are going to soak them there for like 10 minutes. Okay. So our potatoes are ready. Now we are going to with water. Yeah. So guys, the next thing was to drain water. Already I've drained water, as you can see. They are dry enough. And over here I have cooking oil that is boiling. It's getting ready for frying the potatoes. So the transformation is in the process. So stay tuned. So I'm just testing whether the cooking oil is ready. As you can see, look at this. Now it means now it's ready. We can put our I'm fearing. Need to be careful not to get burnt. So guys, as you can see, they are getting ready. So for me, I'm going to cook mine until they are crunchy. Okay. So let's cook. I'll show you the final. So guys, you can see this already. Yes. check how clean they are. They are very clean. So guys, as you can see, my chips are here. Guys, can you see how clean they are? Wow, I can't wait to eat them. And over here are sausages. They are ready. So guys, I'm through with cooking. Here is my meal. I can't wait to eat. As you can see, they are very clean. They are very clean. Actually, I'm just serving. I want to eat after this video. Guys, if you know you have not subscribed to Sweet Meals for 5, kindly subscribe, like, share, and watch the videos. You can as well try the recipes. Yeah. And here are sausages. So guys, that's all I spend my al-Fitr afternoon preparing just some fries. Yeah. So guys, karibuni sana tukule pamoja. I'm just enjoying. Very tamu. So check the sausage. Guys, seti zimekauka. Unaona venye ni soft. Shirini zimeshrink. Chips are here. Yes.
Sweet meals for 5.